Frat boy P. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in.
What is good, brother?
What's up, brother? We're in the Frat boy P's car, baby. Look at that. See that? That's real carbon fiber right there. You know what I'm saying? He pulls up in that, you can't afford this.
I really hope this rock or whatever is wrong with my fucking rear wheel.
I don't have to. I got the whole. I got the.
You see what I'm saying?
I got the. You know, it's tracking my face and everything.
Yeah, look how natural you feel, baby. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Good morning, good evening, back with another video. It's your boy Bruce, back at it again on a YouTube video for you guys, man. Walking down BMW lane, bro. BMW lane. BMW. It's just BMW lane, man. Cam trucks, Audi R8s. You know that's my first love right there, baby. What I'm talking about. Loving my man, love it. You know what I'm saying? It's live here, back here at 704 Exotics. Hope these music don't kill me. But you know, let's get to this B-roll. Let's see these cars. I'm here with my boy P. Subscribe to his video. Subscribe to his YouTube, man. Link gonna be down below. We out. Listen. Coming up, man, twin turbo R8, all-wheel drive, big beefy archer blades on that big thing, Toyos. Nice, beautiful spec, nice car. Green Porsche right here. I know that guy. We love that guy. That guy's cool.
Hey.
Hey, how you doing? The AMG GTR right here, green with the see-through on the hood. Look at that, baby. You see this? The louvers. Do you see the louvers in this thing? Nice V8 bi-turbo. Yellow seatbelts inside with the carbon fiber, baby. AMG GTR with the carbon fiber splitter. Most slept on car right here, man. I don't know why people don't buy these more often, man. That's my honest opinion. I like it. Oh, yeah. Big pop boys right there. You know what I mean? Then we got the Porsche in this nice blue. Right here with the yellow calibers. Beautiful car, beautiful spec. Bug eyed. See? That's all I'm with. It's all amazing. You know what I'm saying? Bike boys right here. Nice bikes, nice bikes. You know what I mean? The Cartel Brewing Company right here. They got the bills at 704 Exotics. First car I've been to that actually has beer that you can drink, guys. This is amazing. I like this. You know? Beer right here. And this is... That's kind of loud. So this is the IPA, right?
Yes.
Rich as fuck IPA?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep, so right now I got the Rich as fuck IPA right there. So we're gonna taste that out. There's gonna be another Drinking with Bruce video, baby. This beer, Rich as fuck beer, is good. Refreshing, nice on this nice breezy day. Not too heavy on the stomach. Good, I love it. Come on, let me get one for the boys back home!
All right, hey, you get her home safe. All right, give me one more.
Ain't no way, Will. Ain't no freaking way. Oh my gosh. This man done hit it. This man done did it again. Another one. Get out of here, bro. I love the wheels, bro. I love it. Good job on the 7th anniversary, bro. I love it, bro. If you guys don't know, man, subscribe to my boy Will. He's doing big things, man. Big things are coming for the C8 right now. Dream Audi R8s right here. That one's up there as a V8. But we got V10, V10, V8, V10, V10. I'm just astounded, man. I will one day get one of these. What up, buddy? Yes, he will. We already know. You know what I'm saying? That right there, that's my buddy's Porsche right there. You know what I'm saying? That's his right there. One day, it's gonna be in his hands. You know what I'm saying? Pulled by the Tesla truck. Amazing, man. Back here at 704 Exotics, guys. This is where the party's at. I want that one. That was 1100 though. We'll see. Like, bro, tell me how you got the M3, bro. With the M4 seats, bro.
I've never been through the curvy roads on like the
What?
Big Sur, but I've been to Laguna Beach.
What?
And there was no track.
What?
No track. You would expect
Bro.
DCH.
Bro, you know he's a Dunkin' guy. It has always be Dunkin'. Starbucks would never do this. If you go to Dunkin', this is what you do. You're mine. Stop drinking Dunkin'. This is what we do, man. Left 704 Exotics to literally park an M3 aired out. 3-piece wheels, my boy Hunter's car. Photo shoot, he just did a YouTube video with my boy Boosted Perry right there. Subscribe, Boosted Perry, it's gonna be in the link below. But yeah, man, aired out on the grass, under an overpass. What kind of, who does this? Who does this, bro? Like, who are you? Like, look at it in the grass, man. That is sick. That right there is worth it. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my boy Hunter. And shout out to this right here. You know what I mean? Over an underpass, left 704 exotics, just to do this, guys. Yo, back at it again, dude. We got the freaking M4 next to the M3, bro. Who does this? Who does this in Charlotte, bro? Who does this in Charlotte, bro? Like, legit. 2 M's under an overpass, bro. I can't make this up. I know I look ugly right now, but I can't make this up. Look at it, bro. Look at it. Oh, this definitely coming to the channel right here. This right here, we're gonna review this. And this bad boy too. Bagged out. This one, tucked. Perfect. Both BMWs, man. Can one come to the channel? Maybe. I don't know. I am shopping for another car. But we'll get more on that later. Alright guys, right now we're about to get rollers of the BMWs. Helping a friend out. You know I got a truck, I got a tonneau cover, baby. This vlog just only beginning, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna hop into Tacoma, get these rollers, have some fun. If you guys want to, you guys can buy that Dodge Ram right there, it's for sale. Hit the boy up, get yourself a Dodge Ram. But let's go get these rollers, guys. Bro, we stopped at Easy, bro. I don't know what to get. We're gonna get something, make it happen. You said make your own bowl?
Yeah, the bento box.
Ah, sesame seed chicken. Yeah.
I do that one and I do the, where is it? Spicy tuna rolls.
Oh, so we can choose 4 tuna rolls?
No, you pick one.
Oh, 4 sushi rolls a piece. Got you. F it, bro. Straight Philly roll, dog. 3? 3. Bad. Okay, let's do it.
I like the basic ones, to be honest.
This man's
This is it, baby. I love it. All right, cool. Let's see if we can get it for free. All right, here's the awesome, bro.